Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with seated sun salutations. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead. Exhale, hands to thighs, gently folding forward. With cactus arms, inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, re-lengthening your spine. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, hands to thighs, folding forward from your hip creases. With cactus arms, inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, re-lengthening your spine. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead, gathering up the energy. Exhale, hands to thighs, folding forward, stretching through your back body. With cactus arms, inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, feeling your core strong. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer. Repeating this sequence once more. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead. Exhale, hands to thighs, gently folding forward. With cactus arms, inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, re-lengthen your spine. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer, and release, returning to center. Moving into a forward bend variation. Extend both legs forward, flexing through your heels. With your hands to your thighs for support, inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward, keeping your core engaged and your legs active, flexing through both heels, contracting through your quadriceps. With each inhale, re-lengthen your spine, and with each exhale, gently folding deeper, feeling your mind calm, stretching through your back body. Stay connected to your breath as you lift your torso to upright and return to center. Exploring a seated reverse plank variation. Place your hands to the seat of your chair and lift your heart, pressing your shoulder blades into your back torso, supporting the lift of your chest, opening across your front body. Continue here, or to increase this stretch, optional to extend both legs forward, pressing down through the soles of your feet, working to keep your legs straight and firm. Breathe as you continue to draw your shoulder blades firmly into your back body, supporting the lift of your chest. Slowly release and set your feet back to center, transitioning into a cat-cow stretch variation. With your hands to the seat of your chair, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, sweep your arms forward, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue coordinating this movement with your breath. With each inhale, hands to the seat of your chair, lifting through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, sweep your arms forward, rounding your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, stretching across your upper back. Release and return to center, moving into a gentle seated twist. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support. With each inhale, re-lengthen from the base of your spine upwards, and with each exhale, gently twisting deeper, rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Continue breathing deeply as you unwind and return to center, repeating on the opposite side. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support. With each inhale, re-lengthen your spine, and with each exhale, gently twisting deeper, allowing this twisting action to be a tonic for your spine and belly organs. Stay connected to your breath as you unwind and return to center, closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And for more free full-length videos, visit happyyogaondemand.com.
Now that was good.